Hey there, beautiful people. Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we break down beauty products with honesty, expertise, and a little bit of flair. Today, we're exploring a gadget that's been catching a lot of attention for DIY nail lovers and home salon enthusiasts alike. The Cordless UV Nail Lamp, Rechargeable UV Light for gel nails in this sparkling white edition. This lamp promises salon-quality nails right in your own space. It features a dual UV+LED light source with 36 beads designed to cure gel polish quickly and evenly. There's also a reflective mirror bottom to make sure the light reaches every angle, plus 18 side lights that cover your thumbs and pinkies. On top of that, it's rechargeable, cordless, and comes with 4 timer modes displayed on a full-touch LCD screen. And yes, it even comes adorned with sparkling rhinestones for that extra glam touch. When I first got my hands on this lamp, I was excited about its portability. Being cordless and rechargeable, it's perfect for on-the-go manicures, whether you're traveling or just moving around the house while doing your nails. After fully charging it for about 3 hours, I tested continuous use for around 4 hours, and it held up nicely without any interruptions. The LCD screen clearly indicates the remaining battery life and prompts you when it's time to recharge, which is super convenient. Using the lamp was surprisingly intuitive. The automatic sensor lights up as soon as you insert your hand, so there's no fiddling with switches or timers. I tried all 4 timer modes, 30, 60, 90, and 120 seconds, and even experimented with the low heat 120-second setting for a gentler cure. The dual UV+LED lights felt surprisingly gentle on my skin. Unlike some lamps that feel harsh or leave a slight tan effect, this one is soft and non-irritating. Pairing it with the optional anti-UV gloves made me feel completely safe for high-frequency use. Performance-wise, the lamp does a solid job curing a variety of gels, from base and top coats to builder gels and acrylics. Just a heads up, regular nail polish or air dry polishes won't work here. Also, I noticed that thicker gel layers take longer to cure, so it's best to apply thin, even layers for optimal results. The sparkly rhinestones are mostly aesthetic, but they do make the lamp feel like a little luxury piece on your vanity. Some of the pros that stood out. The cordless design makes it incredibly portable, the multiple timers and smart sensor add real convenience, and the curing process is fast and consistent. The gentle light is another big win, especially for frequent users. On the flip side, it's not compatible with non-gel polishes, and if you prefer a very compact travel lamp, it's slightly larger than some mini options on the market. In terms of value, this lamp sits at a reasonable mid-range price for what it offers. Considering the dual light technology, rechargeable battery, 4 timer modes, and the stylish design, it feels like a solid investment for anyone serious about gel nails at home. If you're looking for cheaper alternatives, there are basic UV lamps available under $20, but they often lack the dual light technology and gentle low heat mode, which means this lamp might actually save you time and discomfort in the long run. The build quality feels sturdy, and the materials give a premium impression. The combination of reflective interior, side lights, and dual UV+LED setup ensures even curing, which is something not every lamp in this price range can boast. As for longevity, I've been using it consistently over several sessions, and performance hasn't diminished. Plus, the 18-month warranty adds some reassurance. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Overall, this cordless UV nail lamp hits the mark for anyone wanting salon-level gel nails at home without complicated setups. It's best for DIY nail enthusiasts who want precision, portability, and a gentle yet effective curing process. If you're tired of uneven curing or bulky cords, this lamp could really change your at-home nail game. If you've used this lamp, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Did it live up to the hype for you? And for those looking to purchase, you'll find the link in the description or comments. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.